Hi, Mark here. Friday, August the 29th. They're going on 8 a.m. Eastern. That's going on 12 noon. US dollar index certainly starting on the front foot today. 3 days of sell-off. Bounce back today off the support at 97.73. And so far, intraday resistance 97.96. If I zoom in on the hourly, there you'll see how US dollar the last 4 hours going into the US Open is there is demand for US dollar of the index, and that 97.96 is the resistance level. Buyers will be looking to test and break above now that the US session is underway. Sellers, of course, will be looking to bounce down off this area, looking down at support at 97.73. Let's have a look at the S&P 500. Hour and a half until Wall Street opens up. So we looked at the futures market. Slight sell-off here. We can see that gap down to start. Support 6,488. I've got resistance at 6,517. Buyers following a record high, record close yesterday in the S&P. Buyers will be looking to regain that 6,500 level and test higher. Sellers, of course, will be looking down at this support and looking to test or break below the support level. Let's have a look at gold. Gold being sold off slightly. It's been in a strong run. We've seen that for over a week now. Yesterday, resistance above 3,413. Today, that's our support, 3,400 and resistance today, 3,418, and support set at 3,404, just above the 3,400 level. Buyers will look up at this resistance and look for continuation of what we've seen for the past week. Sellers will be looking below the 3,400 level, and I have no doubt gold will take its guidance from US dollar. We'll see once US session is open. We have had the strong inverse relationship up to this point of weak US dollar and strong gold. Let's have a look at Brent oil. There we are on the daily. Buyers continuing for the third day here. We've got higher lows again. I've got support at 67.34. For now, resistance at 67.79. Buyers will be looking to test break above this intraday resistance level, looking up to the 68 dollar level or higher. Sellers looking to test below the 67.37 support. If I zoom in on the hourly, there you can see hanging around the resistance area, definitely on the front foot, and looking at buyers looking up at this 67.79 resistance area for now. Let's have a look at Bitcoin. Strong move, strong sell-off from Bitcoin today. I've got resistance at 112,000, 112.7 thousand, and support already set at 109.3 thousand. Below the 110,000 that it's sitting at right now, it has tested, sellers have tested the support before and able to break through. We'll see if sellers continue pushing lower, selling, and look to again to test, maybe break below this 109.2 thousand level. Buyers, on the other hand, look for a bounce up of this area, looking back up above 112,000. Good trading, keep that discipline, and I will see you at the end of the day session.